Hello everyone, my name is Purna Chandra, bearing roll number 17951A0249 in Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. Today my topic is about static relays. Firstly, let us introduce to what is a relay. In a production relay, the term static refers to the absence of moving parts to create the relay characteristics. Introduction of static relays began in early 1960s. The design is based on use of analog electronic device instead of coils and magnets to create the relay characteristics. A static relay is a relay which uses solid state components like transistors, diodes, etc. for the measurement or comparison of electrical quantities. The static network is so designed then it gives an output signal in the tripping direction whenever a threshold condition reached. The output signal is turned operated a tripping device which may be electromagnetic or electrons. Static relays are capable of performing the same operation with the use of electronic control unit when an electromagnetic relay performs with the use of moving or elements. Working principle of static relay. The components of the static relay is shown in the given below. The input of the current transformer is connected to the transmission line and their input is given to the rectifier. The rectifier was rectifying the input signal and pass it to the relaying measuring unit as shown in the given figure. Figure shows the essential components of a static relay. The relaying quantity, the output of a current transformer and a potential transformer or a transducer is first reflected and compared with the set values. The output is actuated when the dynamic input reaches the threshold value. The value is amplified and given to the output device, which is usually an electromagnetic. This energies the trip coil and relay operated. Advantages of static relay. The following are the benefits of the static relay, which includes the static relay consumes very less power because of which the burden on the measuring instrument decreases and their accuracy increases. The static relay gives the quick response, long life, high durability, reliability and accuracy, and it's shockproof. The reset time of the relay is very less. It doesn't have any thermal storage problems. The relay amplifies the input signal, which increases their sensitivity. The change of unwanted tripping is less in this relay. The static relay can easily operate in earthquake-prone areas because they have high resistance to shock. Disadvantages of static relay. Reliability cannot be predicted. Construction is not very robust. Easily affected by surrounding interference. Auxiliary DC supply is required. Applied by voltage transients, which also affected by the voltage transients. Applications of the static relay. Ultra high speed protection of electric high voltage AC transmission lines, which are EHV transmission lines, utilizing distance protection. In overcurrent and earth fault condition protection schemes as main element in differential relay. Limitations of static relay. The components used by the static relay are very sensitive to the electrostatic discharges. The electrostatic discharges mean sudden flow of electrons between the charged objects. Thus, special maintenance is provided to the component so that it does not affected by the electrostatic discharges. The relay is easily affected by the high voltage surges. Thus, precautions should be taken for avoiding the damages through voltage spikes. The working of the relay depends on the electrical components. The relay has less overloading capacity. The static relay is more costly as compared to the electromagnetic relay. Construction of relay is easily affected by the surrounding interface. Instantaneous overcurrent relay which mean defined current. Defined current relay operates instantaneously when the current reaches a predetermined value as shown in the graph. Its operation criterion is only current magnitude without time delay. Operation time is constant. There is no intentional time delay. Coordination of different circuits, different current relays is based on the fact that the fault current varies with the position of the fault because of the difference in the impedance between the fault and the source. The relay located furthest from the source operates for the low current value. The operation currents are possessively increased for their other relay when moving towards the source. It operates in 0.1 second or less. Conclusion. Relays control output circuits of a much higher power. Safety is increased. Production relay are essential for keeping faults in system isolated and keep equipment from being damaged. Thank you.